Feeling awkward is something most people experience at different stages of life. It can happen suddenly, without a clear reason. You may feel unsure about how you speak, how you react, or how others see you. This video is created for educational and awareness purposes only. There's nothing graphic here and no judgment. Let's understand why feeling awkward is normal. Awkwardness often appears when we are learning something new about ourselves. This can include new emotions, new situations, or new social experiences. When the brain is still learning how to respond, it may create hesitation or self-consciousness. This does not mean you are doing something wrong. It means you are adapting. Many people feel awkward during conversations, in social settings, or even when alone with their thoughts. This feeling often comes from overthinking. The mind starts observing itself too closely. Small actions may feel bigger than they really are. Awkwardness is not a weakness. It is a sign of awareness. As people grow and gain experience, the brain slowly learns confidence through repetition. With time, situations that once felt awkward start feeling familiar. Simple ways to cope include slowing down, not judging yourself harshly, and remembering that others are often focused on themselves. You do not need to be perfect to be accepted. Feeling awkward is part of learning how to be comfortable with yourself. Thank you for watching. If this explanation helped you, take time to learn at your own pace. For more calm and educational content, you may consider subscribing.